In this Living in Mexico video, we have taken you to Chapultepec, which is kind of in the Colonia Americana zone of Guadalajara. A lot of you guys have been asking for city tours. So we decided to bring you out on a Saturday night to show you what goes on in Chapultepec. If you like these kinds of videos, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single video. And if you're interested in moving to Mexico, make sure to download our Moving to Mexico guide below. And with that being said, let's go see what's going on the Saturday Bazaar, where they shut down the whole park in the middle of Chapultepec so that artisans can come out and share and sell their wares. All right guys, so you guys might be wondering from the last video what on earth happened to our car. So our car was basically held hostage, not really, for about 4 hours. And we had to go back to the house. We took a nap. We made sure to feed Mia and Daisy, the dog and the cat. And then we headed back to the parking lot because it was open again to get our car, and then we headed out to Chapultepec. But you know, that's just stuff that happens when you travel full time and start living in other countries. We call it pickles and predicaments around here. But it's those pickles and predicaments that make you a very resourceful, adaptable person. And one of the things that you have to know, whether you're traveling full time or living in other countries, is to go with the flow. You'll learn how to do that a lot more, and there will be plenty of opportunities to learn how to go with the flow. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's go check out more of Chapultepec. All right guys, so one of the things that Guadalajara in specific is known for is all the art that you can find all over Guadalajara. And we ran into these really interesting pieces here in Chapultepec on a Saturday night. It was so fascinating that we had to share it with you guys. So this is Bismuto Arte Atomico.
Yes.
Okay. And then they can explain how this all works because it's quite fascinating.
Okay. The bismuth is a mineral that we use for the many artisanias here. This mineral is yellow, then is purple, and can change for many colors, different colors and figures.
Yeah, it's the whole rainbow here. It looks like a peacock.
Yes.
Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. So if you guys are in Guadalajara, check it out, and we will make sure to put the information on the bottom so you guys can check it out if you are in the city.
As you guys can see, I got one of these guys myself as well. And if you want to zoom in there, very cool. It's like a little Excalibur sword going into the rock. I love this design. Amanda actually got it for me, so thank you.
All right, so we are finishing up our night here on Chapultepec. Chapultepec is a lot of like bars and nightclubs and restaurants, and we don't really do much of either of those things. So we came to check out the art, the jewelry, the artisan crafts that they show off every Saturday night in the parks. And what did you think about what you saw? Because it's been about a year since we did this.
We haven't been to Chapultepec at all in quite some time. I guess it has been about a year since we've been here. And I love the improvements that they're doing to the neighborhood. There's a lot of new spots here. It's really, I don't know, it's really just becoming, I think, nicer and more probably family friendly as well. Like I love just the bazaar here that they have with all the different arts and crafts.
Yeah, there are lots of families here tonight.
Yeah.
And the first time we came to Chapultepec, it looked a little less family friendly. So
yeah, but there's a ton of art here. They're selling books on these and a bunch of these stalls as well. And I got this really cool necklace too. Apparently, it's very difficult to make art like this out of bismuth. We were talking to another group of artisans here. They're like, yeah, no, there's only maybe 2 or 3 people in the city that make stuff like that in that way. So it's just really neat to see all the different art, all the culture, all the different things that are going on here. It is kind of a vibe. We're really, like Amanda said, not into the whole party scene so much anymore, but coming out here and just seeing everybody out enjoying
the weather's
themselves, enjoying the
absolutely
night.
perfect. and then you enjoy the park and you enjoy the art and the artisan and you make friends, and it's a vibe. It's pretty cool. So if you're in Guadalajara on a Saturday night, come to Chapultepec and you'll find some really cool, interesting art. You find things like that, and then maybe you can grab a drink after.
Yep.
All right, guys, so that is it for today in this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let us know what other neighborhood you would like us to check out for you, and we will do our best to put it on video for you guys so you can check it out and also answer all of the questions. And if you're interested in moving to Mexico, because we know things are getting weird in the U.S., for lack of a better term, then download our Living in Mexico guide for free below, and we will catch you guys on the next one.
See you on the next one.